Hey guys, it's Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University and Pip and Run, and so good to be with you here on this marvelous Monday, February 25th, 2019. And we've got some trades going on now. We've got some trades going on with the dollar CAD, and we see we're up about 14.8 pips on that. On one, 15.2, 6.7. We're going to go ahead and take our profit there. Let's go ahead and drop down the lower time frame. We got a rebound from the lows of the 13100 support area, and we're now pushing up toward our limits there. Let's see, even drop down to like a 5-minute chart and see what's going on. See all the action there. We can see we're topping out near the 131.75. This is a banker's resistance level at 75. I'm going to go ahead and take profit right there. We're going to take some profit there. We're going to take some more profit right here and take some more profit right here. $496, 7.1 pips here. Again, Greg McLeod, pip and run. We're pipping and running, and we're closing out some profit there using our RSI and Bollinger Bands there. We can see we got to close another trade. We got $496 sitting right there. Let's go ahead and take that. Oh, spike up. Take that, baby. Get me paid, baby doll. Let's do it. Yeah, we went ahead and we closed those trades out there. We were topping out one spot 3176, still hold number, round number resistance there. I guess the three-quarter lines at 75, and so we did. Let's go ahead and see what we did, and we went ahead and we closed. We had some buys from about the 131.58, and we were able to get out around the one spot 317374 area. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn how to do this and how to make money quickly using Pip and Run Forex scalping, go ahead and click the link below and join the Pip and Run's Forex Scalping Bootcamp, where applications are being taken now. Only a few seats available to learn how to make money in this market. Get those skills that pay the bills. Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!